Being a grown-up is hard, but I have found that this makes it just a little bit easier. This is Huel. It is a meal replacement product line that comes with a lot of different options. You have powders, you have the Huel Black, you have the regular Huel, you have the protein isolate. They come with some pre-blended drinks, and then they have some hot and savory ready meal kind of things. Not totally ready. You have to add boiling water and stir it and wait for 5 minutes. But all the things that I've tried so far, I've been really impressed with. This is actually the first time that I've tried Huel, so I'm not gonna pretend like I've been using this for years. I am not a sponsor. I do have a link in the description if you want to check it out, and that is an affiliate link where I think they give me $20 off and you $20 off, or that deal might change at some point, but feel free to check it out. It doesn't cost you anything more to try it. It's really good. It is really, really, really good. And it's a little bit higher in the calorie count than normally you would see with some protein powders. I don't want to say it's a mass gainer necessarily, but what they're really aiming for here is not just to supplement your protein intake, but to really make sure that every time you use it, you're getting, every time you consume it, you're getting a nutritionally complete meal. So what you'll find is one serving is 2 scoops out of this bag, and this is a 17 serving bag, all right, this is a 3-pound bag. And for 2 scoops, it's 400 calories. You're getting 40 grams of protein with the Huel Black, which is a lot. I mean, someone of my size, I'm about 265 pounds currently. I'm trying to hit at least 180 grams of protein a day. So this is a great way to kind of start my day. It's also totally plant-based, totally vegan. So minimal impact on animals is part of their philosophy at Huel. So it's not just the 40 grams of protein that you're getting here, but what you're getting is balance among all of the macronutrients, as well as a balanced profile of the vitamins. And just so you know, out of the 400 calories, you've got the 40 grams of protein, you're getting 18 grams of fat, but most of those are polyunsaturated fat. 12 grams are polyunsaturated, which those are supposed to be healthier fats, and they help to keep you full. You're getting 23 grams of carbohydrates, but 7 of those are fiber. And only 4 grams of the carbohydrates are sugars. So not a sugar surge, and you're getting a good bit of fiber. Again, everything is balanced here, and the whole point is it is designed to keep you full and satiated. On top of that, it tastes really good. This is the salted caramel flavor. I love anything salted caramel, so this was the first one that I opted to try, but I imagine after trying this that the other flavors are all really good as well. It wasn't super sweet like I expected it to be. It was just sweet enough, but also kind of a little bit savory and just really nice. It was surprising at first, and then after the first time I tried it, I was like, this is really good. I kind of can't wait to try it again. I couldn't wait until the next day. It's 400 calories, so I had to at least wait until the next meal, but it ended up feeling full for a really long time. So it does what it says it's going to do. And I've been using it for about 2 weeks now, and my results I have felt are consistent. I haven't put on any weight. I haven't really lost any weight. I've kind of maintained, even though I have a little bit of an exercise routine, but that's okay. I think it's more about the transformation of fat to muscle, and I really believe that this is helping me get there. So I'm gonna go ahead and say on first try, I endorse this, but let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to do a follow-up review on this in another 3 to 6 months and let you know if I still like it, if I'm still getting the results, or if I ended up putting on a ton of weight I didn't expect. Who knows? You'll have to let me know that you want to see that video, and then I will make that video for you in a few months. Oh, I almost forgot. If you use that link that is in the description to try Huel, not only will you get, I think, $20 off the first order, but they will also give you a bunch of free stuff. They give you this cool blender bottle for free, which is awesome. It's a little different than a traditional kind of blender bottle, so I like that. They threw in a free Huel t-shirt, so they will ask for your shirt size, and it's a pretty nice material. I'm not wearing it right now, but they did give it to me and I do like it. And they also threw in a bottle of the pre-mixed chocolate flavor so that I could try that. I don't know that I'll buy those because they seemed like just another protein shake, and I don't think that the cost savings on those is quite as good, but I definitely see that being good for people who are like quick on the go, don't want to take the time to mix things up. You might really like the flavor of it or how it makes you feel, so you can try that out. They throw a lot of that stuff in for free, so go ahead and use that link that's in the description to get the $20 off and all the freebies that they throw in. And if you want to learn more about my morning routine to feel more awake in the morning, check out this video right here. Go ahead and click on that, and I will see you in the next video.